This video is part of an article entitled Making Revit Families for Theme Park Projects Using the Adaptive Template, part number 2. In this video, I want to make a demonstration of one of the 3 exercises in the article. For the other 2, I encourage you to try, and if you have any questions, please post your questions in the Autodesk forums. The second exercise in the article refers to the slanted architectural column. Let me open the Family Types window. There is a tilt angle here which is 0 at the moment. That angle refers to the angle between this base point and the top point. If that angle becomes 5, for example, the line rotates, and since all these points are hosted on the line, everything rotates as well. The shapes, all these shapes are created by profiles. If I see this in 3D, and if I set the view to wireframe, I can see all these shapes made of profiles. And each profile is hosted on a point, and each point, all the points are hosted on that axis line, all this line. So that's why when I change this to something else, such as 7, everything rotates. Notice that some pieces of the column remain horizontal to the ground, while others need to be perpendicular to the axis. Let me use 10 degrees. I could go up to a certain point, not too much. If I increase this value too much, I'm going to start having errors, such as here at this point, because that will be too small for the angle. But if I wanted to do that, I could take this point, for example, and move its position. Instead of being 0.39, I can use 0.45, and that point moves up. And then I can try a different angle, such as 18 degrees or even 20 degrees, etc. Of course, I start having other kind of problems. So let me go back to the default, which is 10 degrees, and let me put this point back into 0.39. When I load this into a project, I have this example where I have those 2 instances of the column. If I click on the column and change the inclination or tilt angle, the columns must remain horizontal to the or constrained between the floor and the roof. And some pieces remain horizontal to the ground and some others remain perpendicular to the axis. Okay, this is exercise number 2. For more details, please refer to the article.